equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to a new video. If you are just getting an English saddle for the first time, you might notice that there are no stirrups on the saddle. And if you've never put stirrups onto stirrup leathers, this video might be helpful for you. So first what you're going to do is take a stirrup leather and you're going to take your stirrup. And some stirrups actually have the direction that they go. So on these stirrups, you can see this has a little bit more of a rounded edge. That's where your foot, your boot, is going to go onto the stirrup. That is going to be the part that's hanging on the front. So when you're putting your stirrups on, you want to make sure that the portion where your foot is going to go is facing the right direction. So for this stirrup, the foot tread needs to go this way. So what I'm going to do is take my stirrup leather and I'm going to feed the end of the stirrup leather through that center portion, like that. So now I'm going to attach the stirrup and the leather to the saddle. So if you lift this flap, you'll see this. This is called a stirrup bar, and this is where the stirrup leather is going to hang. So on some saddles, you really have to fight the stirrup bar to push it up under. With my saddle, it's pretty simple. I can make a loop and just put it around the end. And then I have my stirrup leather in place. You want to have the little triangle end. That's what you're going to feed through the stirrup bar, and it'll be like this. Now that I have the stirrup leather on the stirrup bar, I can just feed the end, the pointy end through, and then put the buckle through the hole of where I want it to be. So now I can just push the buckle up and pull down on the back portion of the stirrup leather, and then I put the excess down through the stirrup leather keeper at the back of the saddle. Then I can just run the stirrup up, and that is how the stirrup will sit. That's how I'm going to keep my stirrups when I'm not riding my horse. So that's one side. Let me show you how to do the other side. It's the same process. I'm going to take the stirrup, I'm going to feed the end of the stirrup leather through the stirrup. Then I'm going to lift the flap and I'm going to put the stirrup leather underneath the stirrup bar. Or in my saddle's example, I can just push it through just like that. Then I'm going to put the end through the buckle and go to the number that I typically ride with, which on this one, it's the third hole up. I'm going to pull down on the back. That's going to bring the buckle up smooth against the stirrup bar. I can put the extra stirrup leather through the keeper. Then I can run up my stirrup, and that is how my saddle will sit until I'm ready to use it. It's pretty easy once you've done it a few times, but hopefully that helped you see how to attach a stirrup and a stirrup leather to your English saddle.